What's up everyone, my name is Joe, your digital asset analyst, and today I want to teach you how to buy meme coins on Magic Eden. If you clicked on this, you probably don't need me to tell you, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Memecoins at its top was at a $60 billion market cap. At any point in time, there's over a dozen meme coins in the top 100 cryptocurrencies in the world, with of course Doge leading the pack. There's hundreds of millions of dollars flowing in and out of these meme coins every single day. But did you know that yes, you could buy meme coins on Magic Eden? That's right. There's a lot of NFT marketplaces out there like Magic Eden, OpenSea, and Blur. But Magic Eden is one of the only ones to offer meme coins on the Bitcoin network. Magic Eden supports a lot of NFTs on a lot of chains: Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygon, even Base, to name a few. And the first meme coins to appear on there is on the Bitcoin network called Runes. I can't wait for Magic Eden to spotlight meme coins on the Solana network, on the Base network, on the Ethereum network, all in one place. But for right now, it's only Bitcoin. There's a lot of reason to buy meme coins anywhere, but if you buy it on Bitcoin, you'll be secure in the network itself. That's because the protocol is baked into the Bitcoin network, not a layer above or below it. At any given time, 75% of the Bitcoin transactions on the Bitcoin network is because of the meme tokens that people are buying. That doesn't mean this is the place to park your money, because you know meme coins are very volatile, but you best know your options for when the bull market comes. Before we jump into the meme coins, let's check out the different features on Magic Eden. You can sort by volume, gainers, holders, and trades. Personally, I like to look at volume, as you can see where all the liquidity is parked. And we can see right here, you can sort that by ascending and descending. Some people are more speculative. They want to look at gainers. Click on the gainer section. You can see by the day, within 7 days or within 30 days, what the top gainers may be. I'm pretty sure you wouldn't want to sort this through descending, because why would you want to park your money in losing meme tokens? You want to take a look at holders, you can do that. Just scroll to the right and you can view by the top holders all the way to the lowest holders. Besides all the different sorting mechanisms, filtering through ascending and descending, you can also search for the meme coin that you want. If you want something called Pepe, I'm sure there's like a lot of them there. Use that search function if you want to search for something specifically. Let's click into the current leader by volume, and that's Dog Go to the Moon. You're going to realize that most of these meme tokens have long names, and that's because currently the protocol only allows for 13-letter names. Every 4 to 5 weeks or so, the naming convention will get one letter lower, meaning it'll go down from 13 to 12 to 11 to 10, and then some years off, you'll be able to buy 4-letter meme tokens. You won't be seeing Doge for a while because that's 4 letters, and it'll take a couple years until this protocol allows for that. Once you click in the token, there's some details here, which I'll go through really briefly. Rune number 3 means that this meme token was the 3rd meme token ever launched on the Bitcoin network. That could be good information, bad information. I don't think people really care what number it launch, just as long as people want that token. Here they denominate things in Satoshis and USD. Personally, of course, USD is the go-to. But I guess if you're a Bitcoin maximalist and you understand everything in terms of Bitcoin and Satoshis, then that's where this denomination will make sense. Here's a trading view chart, a simple chart, or you can Google for the more sophisticated trading view chart. Now, unfortunately, this is all within Satoshis, which is the Bitcoin metric. The USD chart is not yet available. I imagine Magic Eden will make that available because they have the same chart for their NFT collections, and you can toggle off between either Solana, Ethereum, or USD. Now, funny they haven't brought it over to meme tokens, but I imagine that's just a matter of time. And here is just some high-level information about the meme token. We can see the supply, which is pretty important. You can see the market cap, which a lot of people trade on, and you can see the daily volume. You can see how many trades are in a day, and here's an interesting note specifically for Bitcoin meme coins is pending buys. This is something you only see on the Bitcoin network. Pending buys is not instant buys like Solana or Base, because it takes time to settle that transaction. Not to worry, you're not going to be purchasing something that's already in someone else's cart. Magic Eden does a good job at hiding that. But if you want to take a look at it, you could go on the settings and you could toggle on show pending buy orders. What that does is shows you what people have currently submitted onto the blockchain network, and you can see that with this Magic Eden moving logo. Personally, I just say turn it off. You can already see what people are buying, and if you want to buy something free and clear, just click on what's available. Another difference with meme coins on the Bitcoin network is that you can't just buy one of them. That's because the way Bitcoin is a little bit older network. It doesn't have all these fancy upgrades as Solana and Ethereum. It has to be broken up in specific ways. You can break it up really small or even fractional, but that will cost a lot of money. That's why you're going to see big chunks like this, big allotments like this that people are buying and selling. More importantly is the price point that you're buying at, which is denominated here. You can see the USD value and how much you're spending. So if you're spending in the right amount, then go ahead and click that and add that to your cart. And let's say you want to buy a smaller amount. Well, the smaller amount is a little bit higher in price. I mean, nominal amounts, this is still 0.00269, and you're only buying $161 worth of this one. You can see here that this is 0.00258 versus 0.0026. Just a slight difference in your buy price there, but just something to be aware of if you're buying a lot of these smaller amounts. For comparison, here's an even smaller allotment of 30,000. You're paying a little bit more, 0.0027 USD. But in dollar value, that's probably just like a few cents or maybe even a dollar difference. I would just chalk it up to a transaction fee if you're looking to buy smaller amounts. This only really matters if you're buying thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin meme coins. Similar to other blockchain networks, every transaction costs you some transaction fees. That's why Magic Eden here allows you to add a few of these transactions to your cart. So if you want to buy more, it just increases your transaction fee a little bit. Also, the transaction fee is something you can customize. You can set it to a low, standard, or high. It'll show you the USD value. If you're an expert, you understand the Mempool and Bitcoin, you can customize and do higher transaction fees, and you can type that in here and you can apply it there. Another nuance specific to Bitcoin is the Mempool protection. Remember the pending buys that we were talking about earlier? Because Bitcoin's a little bit older, a little bit slower, people can actually go ahead and take over your transaction. Yes, that's right. But fear not, you can click here and add a mempool protection. And what that does is basically helps you to increase your transaction fee to protect it against those people that want to steal it. You can pay upwards of 2 times the cost, all the way up to probably infinite amount, the number of cost for the transaction fee. But you probably don't need to do that. If it's a significant number that you want to protect, then go ahead and add some mempool protection. It's important to note that funds don't leave your wallet if this transaction is unsuccessful, so you're not going to be wasting money protecting it. The only time you'll utilize the fees that you paid for mempool protection is if your transaction goes through, so think of it like trip insurance. Once you're ready to complete your purchase, simply click buy and improve your transaction on your connected wallet. If you're unfamiliar with Bitcoin wallets, I will have a tutorial on that. Personally, I recommend Magic Eden or the X1st wallet. Because Bitcoin NFTs have risen so much in popularity, they've even surpassed Ethereum and Solana some days on daily volume. We don't know yet if meme tokens on the Bitcoin network is going to surpass that of Doge, meme coins on Solana, but you know what? We will be prepared if it starts taking off. And that's pretty much it on how to buy meme coins on Magic Eden. I'm going to go over how to sell meme coins on Magic Eden on a different video. The swap functionality as of this time has not come out yet, but you can already do that with other protocols, and Magic Eden is bringing that here soon. If you like this video, I'm going to have another video showing you how to sell meme tokens on Bitcoin. A little bit different there, but of course, I'm going to show you how to take some profit. Be sure to subscribe and follow along because you don't want to miss out. You don't want to be underprepared for when the next cycle comes. But until then, stay safe out there. We'll see you guys on the next one.